Have you ever felt like something is missing in your life? Like there's a hole that you just can't fill, no matter how hard you try? Maybe you've tried to find meaning in your work, your relationships, your hobbies, but nothing seems to stick. If this sounds familiar, then you're not alone. In our modern age of constant stimulation and instant gratification, it's easy to feel lost and disconnected. We're bombarded with messages telling us that we need to be more successful, more productive, more attractive, more everything. But what if I told you that the key to finding fulfillment and happiness isn't in trying to be more, but in embracing the wisdom of insecurity? Alan W. Watts was a British philosopher, writer, and speaker who gained popularity in the United States during the 1960s counterculture movement. He was known for his unique approach to Eastern philosophy and his ability to make complex concepts accessible to Western audiences. Watts authored over 25 books on topics such as Zen Buddhism, Taoism, and the nature of consciousness. He also hosted a popular radio show called Way Beyond the West and gave numerous lectures and talks throughout his career. His work has had a profound impact on the fields of philosophy and spirituality, and continues to inspire people around the world to this day. The wisdom of insecurity is a concept that challenges our modern obsession with control and certainty. It suggests that true security comes not from trying to predict and control the future, but from embracing the uncertainty and impermanence of life. In our age of anxiety, this idea can be difficult to accept. We often feel pressure to have everything figured out and under control. But as Alan W. Watts argues, this desire for control can actually lead to more stress and anxiety. Instead, we should learn to let go and trust in the natural ebb and flow of life. Living in the present moment is crucial for achieving inner peace and happiness. When we focus too much on the past or worry about the future, we miss out on the beauty of the present moment. By staying present and fully engaged in the here and now, we can let go of our anxieties and fears and experience life more fully. One technique for living in the present moment is mindfulness meditation. This involves focusing your attention on your breath and observing your thoughts without judgment. With practice, you can train your mind to stay present and avoid getting caught up in worries or distractions. By embracing the present moment, you can cultivate a sense of calm and clarity that will help you navigate the challenges of life with greater ease. Our desire for control can often be the root of our anxiety and stress. We want to control everything in our lives, from our careers to our relationships, but the truth is that we can't control everything. When things don't go according to plan, we feel anxious and stressed. However, letting go of control can actually bring us more peace and happiness. By accepting that we can't control everything, we can focus on what we can control, our reactions to situations. We can choose to let go of our need for control and trust that everything will work out in the end. In conclusion, we have explored the wisdom of insecurity and how it can help us navigate the modern age of anxiety. We learned about the importance of living in the present moment and letting go of our desire for control. By embracing the uncertainty of life, we can find peace and happiness. Alan W. Watts believed that the key to a fulfilling life is not found in security, but in the wisdom of insecurity. It is only by accepting the impermanence of life that we can truly appreciate its beauty and live in the present moment. Let us all strive to apply this wisdom to our lives and find joy in the journey. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.